Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is Subi from Citrus Journal Studio. Today I am here with a Halloween freebie video. So this folio that we are going to be making today is a freebie, and you can get this freebie by signing up to the newsletter. I will give the link in the description below. And if you are already in the newsletter and in the CJS community, you can just go ahead and check your CJS free library, where I will have this folio updated. And here are the final pieces for this folio. Let's start by prepping the folio pages. I have the main panel. This main panel I'm just going to go ahead and fold at the center, and I've got an envelope that I'm just going to fold again. It's a quite easy folio to make. It will take probably around 10 to 15 minutes. So it's a really easy project. And this is one of the flap that I have. I'm just going to cut the window. Here I've cut the window and I've added some transparent sheet and lace to it, so that I can make like a side pocket over here. So I'm just going to use my sewing machine and make a pocket. And here I want to add some details with my sewing machine on the edges. I've gone ahead and used my sewing machine, added a few details on the pockets and the envelope. I used this lace material, and this pocket I have just the top flap. This is actually the top flap. I already had the window cut and added a lace over there, and I have stuck the top and the bottom edges so that we have this side window over here. That's how it is. Now let's start the assembling. Very easy assembling. So just two things to stick. Here we have the top flap. The top flap, I'm going to attach this one to the panel B. So I'm just going to add it like this, so that when I turn it, I can see those cute cats looking right at us. So I'm just going to add the pocket first, the top flap with the pocket first. Now that the top flap is done, I've got the envelope over here. I'm going to use this flap of the envelope and attach it right over here. So first I am going to stick these two things together and make it an envelope. Now I have the envelope pocket ready, so I'm going to use the extra closing flap. I'm just going to use that to attach it to the main panel A, to the back of the main panel A. So now that I have the top flap and the envelope stuck, I just need to use these cover pages to cover whatever areas that you see, the attachment areas. I'm just going to use these cover pages on top so that I can cover up all of those attached areas. And the entire folio pages, I have printed them on 180 GSM paper. And these cover pages, I have just used some normal printing paper to print them. And I'm just sticking here the cover pages on both the sides. that's the folio we have done with the assembling. We've got a pocket, the envelope pocket, the top flap has a pocket, and all of these things. And now we can just go ahead and start adding a few pockets. This larger pocket, I'm just going to attach it right over here. I'm using this smaller pocket on top of the larger pocket, and I'm just layering it. I've got another small pocket, this one. I'm just going to use it on my envelope. I've got a belly band over here that I want to use it right over here. You can either do that or you can stick it on the corner of the panels also, but I'm just going to use it as a belly band. So I'm just going to stick it right on the center of the back of the main panel B. I'm just cutting off the extra lace material so that I can insert the ephemeras into the belly band easily. And now to the decoration. A few of the ephemeras and a few fussy cuts have been included in the kit, so you can just use them to decorate the folio. For the embellishments, I'm just going to use a few eyelets for the certain tags, and I will also use my sewing machine to add a few details on the tags and the ephemeras to give it a little bit of punch to these. You can see I've added a few of the lace material to these ephemeras. And here you have it. This is the final reveal of this Halloween freebie, the Haunted Manor. To get this freebie, you can just sign up to the newsletter that the link I will just include in the description. You can also check out the other Halloween kits from the shop. I will include all of them in the shop in the description again. And you can also check out the Autumn Halloween bundle. And there are few offers that are running in the shop that you can save more by buying more. You can just check out my Instagram or Facebook page to know more about these offers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are having the fun Halloween time with all of these projects and also making your own projects. I really love Halloween because there's a lot of creativity that includes, and the spookiness also. So I really love this Halloween season. It's my favorite. So yeah, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.